Okay, so we got breakfast, we're going to the beach, and then we're gonna go rent scooters and explore the island. Okay, we are getting scooters now. I think I'm getting the pink one. Basically the plan is we're gonna go to like the southern part of the island and we're gonna just ride and stop everywhere that seems interesting, and then we're gonna check this out. Like, look at this view, man. The ocean looks a little bit rough, but yeah. So we gotta go?
Yes, let's go.
Do this. Andre is from Vietnam, so he's used to driving on the right hand side of the road. I constantly need to remind him to go to the left. Okay, so we found the beach. The weather is looking terrible, but we're gonna swim anyway. You ready? Just taking pictures.
Singing this song, I see I was wrong. To chain you down, I was the clown. I'm singing this song, I see I was wrong. To chain you down.
Okay, we're on the next beach. We're beach hopping. I don't know exactly where we're going, but we have like a general idea. The plan is to just ride around the island and stop if we feel like it. Oh man, I love this island. The north where we're staying is so busy and stuff. The southern part is such nice beaches, and it's just so peaceful and quiet over here. Like, this island truly has best of both worlds. I mean, just look at these palm trees, bro.
I'm drinking, I drink, I can't stand the thing. But nothing, got the thoughts on my mind. We fought and fought, but I was so blind. When you're not here, I'm just a shell. Have you condemned me to this kind of hell? What are you really trying to do? Is this all just about you, baby?
Hey, you hungry yet?
Yes, let's go find some food.
Okay, let's do this. At least I'm not walking again. Off-road, we're going off-road. How do you like that view?
Amazing, yeah.
This is like the same hill that I climbed in Koh Samui. The same steepness, look at this. It's crazy, bro. Okay, so remember when we said we were hungry? That was about an hour ago. We finally got food. We're having... This is masaman curry.
Yeah.
This is... What's this?
Coconut soup, I think. I'm not sure.
Some kind of coconut soup. Woo! Now I'm full. What's the plan? What are we gonna do?
So we're gonna take the back roads all the way up to the main town, and we'll see if we find a nice beach. We sit there and have a beer and then go on.
Hey Philip, this is for you. This is what a red light looks like. You're not supposed to drive over it. Okay, I think that was a good day spent on the island. We rode. We started at like 9 o'clock, and it's what, 5 o'clock?
5 now.
It's 5 now. So I'm gonna end the video here. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. We're gonna drink a beer. We're sitting at the beach. Then I guess I'll see you tomorrow.
Cheers.
Cheers.